distance, before that you have to know this thing. Tan 30 degree value is how much? Do you know? 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degree value is how much? 1. Tan 60 degree value is how much? No, only root 3. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 60 degree. Okay. Now suppose, and root 3 numerical value is how much? You know, root 3 value is how much? 1 point. And root 2 value is how much? 1.414. Okay. Now, before we do anything, so just see this one. Suppose we are having x values coming as 60 by root 3. Find the answer in decimal place. What to find answer? If I put the value root 3 directly here, then you have to divide. And division is quite a tedious process. Yeah, and this may not give you correct answer also. So we rationalize it. Root 3 is there, so we get root 3 up, root 3 down. It becomes 60 root 3 by 3. 3 and is cancelled. You get 20 root 3. Now we get 20 into root 3 value 1.732 and multiply it. And this will be the answer. 34.64 will come. That is, we rather go for multiplication instead of division. We don't go for division. Now, suppose we are having a situation like this. X is equal to maybe 60 by root 3 minus 1. What should we do? First, root in the denominator we will not accept. Because it will answer is in decimal place, quite difficult. We will rationalize it. How do we rationalize? Root 3 plus 1. Minus 1 is there already, so we have plus 1 and plus 1. This 60, give a bracket root 3 plus 1. This is a minus b, a plus b. It will become a square minus b square. Root 3 square is 3 minus 1 is coming 2. Even this cancel, you get 30 root 3 plus 1. Now you can find answer. 30 root 3 value is 1.732 plus 1. 30 into 2.732 multiplied answer. We have to rationalize when root is coming in the denominator. Okay? Similarly, suppose I am having like this root 3h is equal to coming in h plus 15. Find the value of h from this equation. How to find? This h will bring this side. H and h, keep it, bring it on one side first. Take h common. H common here, you get root 3 minus 1 is equal to 50. Therefore, h value is coming to 50 by root 3 minus 1. Now, we do the same rationalization, you know. 50 bracket root 3 plus 1 and now here I have 2 directly now. Because you know the formula becomes a minus b plus b, a square minus b square. Root 3 square is 3 and minus 1 square is 1, so 3 minus 1 is 2. With 2 I will cancel. 25 root 3 value is 1.732 plus 1. So 25 into 2.732 multiply answer. Okay. We will discuss. Yeah, what about others? They are saying yes. Okay, by chance we are having h and outside is h by root 3 given. How to find the value? How to find the value of h? H is equal to 8 by root 3 plus 50 there, substitution. Huh? Again, this Wi-Fi is gone. What yeah, using good time is working. H. How to find the value of h from this equation? That 8 by root 3 is equal to 50 here. Take LCM. Root 3 this will come here, multiply root 3h minus h is equal to 50. This root will multiply here, cross multiply root 3h minus h is 50 root 3. What to do? H common. Then get root 3 minus 1 is equal to 50 root 3. What is the value of h? 50 root 3 by root 3 minus 1. Then what should we do now? Rationalize. Root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. What is the answer coming? This will come 50. This root 3 I will multiply here within bracket. Root 3 become 3. Root 3 1 is root 3 by 2. This will cut 25. If you write 25, 3, 1.732, 25 into 4.732. Now multiply and last answer. Yeah, 100 something will come in. That is answer. Understood? No, you may get situations coming like this. Then you have to overcome the situation in this way. Alright? Because question will ask to find the answer in nearest meter or some decimal places or not only the answer in good form. We need to do away with the square root. Okay. Now question will be simple, like they will say height given and find value of distance. This will be given, find this, or this distance is given, find height. Yeah, it is right angle, it will be always right angle triangle because sin theta is p by h, cos theta is d by h, and tan theta perpendicular by the base is only applicable for right angle triangles. You will always take right angle triangle. So, when you see angle of elevation, angle of depression, ideally you need to have angle of elevation is the angle formed when the observer will be in the lower level and the object will be on the higher level. So angle made at the lower level is called angle of elevation. See there is 30 degree angle, so we have to draw here elevation angle. But when they say a point on the ground is seen from the top of a tower, then from the top you are looking down. When you look down, that is called angle of depression. When the observer is at the higher level and looking down, value will be same, but your angle of depression you will draw it here. Here is the observer. Observer lies here. This angle will be 30 degree. Ultimately, being alternate angle, this will become 30. But this one we must show. Depression angle we must show in the diagram. If you don't show, one mark is gone. Depression angle is from higher level, the person is looking down, and the elevation is looking up like this, higher level. So depression angle and values are same. Angle is formed here only, but the depression angle you must show on the higher level. Observer must be on the higher side, high to. Okay, now suppose they are saying one simple example, just you have to look at it. They are saying there is a tower 100 meter high. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground is 30 degree here. From this point, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the distance of the point from the foot of the tower. This distance they are asking to find. This is like take x. Now I find the value of x. Tan 30 I do. Tan 30 is perpendicular by the base, right? So 100 by x. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. 100 by x. So x value is coming 100 root 3. So 100 root 3 is coming in multiply. So no problem with it. We put the value and multiply. 173.2 meters. If they ask, give your answer in nearest meter, 173 meter, because this number is 0.2 less than 5, so this remains as it is. If this number is 5 or more than 5, then this increases. So the answer is 173 meter. Okay? Now, sometimes they give unstandard angle, okay? Suppose this angle is given 40 degree. Here someone must see this one properly, okay? Here is unstandard angle given. What is the formula you are writing? Tan 40 degree is equal to 100 by x. X value will become 100 by tan 40. Then what will you do now? What will you do? You have to see the log book. And what value will you see in the log book? Tan 40 value will come like this 0.7231. Then you go for this value 100 by you have this one 0.7331. So this will complicate and you will not get the correct answer also. We must avoid dividing with the decimal number. Because these decimal numbers are quite complicated numbers. We should avoid dividing. Like root 3 also we avoided. So how to avoid this? How to change division to multiplication. See, there is a method. Learn the method. Okay. Not 1 by x. You do 100. X is equal to 100. When tan you bring it up and multiply, tan will be tan, but the angle will be subtracted from 90. So instead of taking 40 degree, you take 90 minus 40, 50 degree will write here. And you will see the value in the table, tan 50 degree value you will see, you will not see the value tan 40. You will write 100 and now tan 50 value you will see the table that is supposed to be, I just guess, 1, 2, 1, 5, then you will write it, you will multiply. Here we avoid division by taking this value up. How can we take tan image standard? This angle you have to subtract from 90. Understood? Suppose you are having a situation like this. X is equal to 100 by tan 20 degrees here. What will you do now? 100 divided by tan 20 comes. Now what will you do? What? 100 tan 70 you like 90 minus this angle, 90 minus this angle. You understand? And now you learn the logic. Why it happens like this? You just see the logic also. Okay, I'll come back to this question. No, not complicated. You like simple. This is 90, this is 40. What is the value of this angle coming? Tell me. 50. Arre Baba, 180 and not don't do this is 90, no, this should be another 90. The total will become 180. So 90 minus 40, what is the answer coming? 50, no? So if I write tan 50, if I write tan 50, I just say tan 50, if I write, this is the perpendicular now, because opposite to the given angle is perpendicular. It becomes x, this becomes 100. Now x value comes how much? Let's see to 100 tan 50 or not? That is happening here, Ramji. X is happening 100 tan 50. So whenever you have in the denominator any unstandard angle coming, then you will have problem in dividing. Bring it up, and to bring it up you have to do 90 minus this angle. I know 90 minus 40 I wrote this, that's why it will become that much. If it comes in multiplication, well and good, just put the value there, multiply. But if it comes in division, so you need to avoid division by taking it up. Tan will remain tan because the angle will change now. Now 40 will become 50. Okay. Did you know this? Amarnath? Mr. Ligoris, you did teach. Mr. Ligoris did teach you like this. I taught him, but he didn't learn. So understood, huh? So today I'll give some questions for you to try, okay? Rapchik question. Alright. You can try example 2 from the book, example 1. Then page 424. Question number 1, exercise 22 is number 1, 2. Then 424. I don't know which page. I have old book, but exercise 22, number 1, 2. Number 8. Number 9. 10, 16, 17, 18, then go to the last page, ICC question. Page 56, 55, 21 also, 56, 55, try all ICC questions which came in the past, okay. I have the latest question of the year 2014, I think you must be having some latest questions there in your book. I have old editions, so then my book has till 2014, you tried 15, I have the last question is 2015, huh? You try with 16, 17, 18 also. Only 18. Then 16, 17 must be the example you see that. Would be the examples. Okay. You try and see if you get stuck, then ask me tomorrow. Whatever you give a try today, then ask me tomorrow. Okay. Huh? Huh? Something.